Welcome to the course, and thanks for signing up. My name is Lewis, and it's my pleasure to take you through Neo4j, Graph Database Foundations with Cypher. In this video, I wanted to give you an overview of what you can expect from the course, along with how the course is structured. Before we go into the course overview, however, I wanted to briefly mention what the intended outcome of this course is. And my goal for you is really to give you another tool in your tool belt. Neo4j is a fantastic piece of technology and can be applied in numerous situations. The situation where you're going to see most value is when your data is highly interconnected and your queries are starting to become long, complex to read and understand. Neo4j can help simplify your data model because the way that the data is represented is more closely aligned to how we naturally think. And so by the end of the course, you should have an idea of how to structure data in a way that makes your life easier. And you'll at the very least be equipped with the knowledge of how to perform all sorts of queries in order to get back insights and useful information from your graph database. So that's what you can look forward to. Now let's move on to how the course is structured. The first part of the course consists of the section that we're currently in, the Welcome to the Course section. In this section, we'll be going through some of the core concepts that you're going to need to understand for the course. We'll run through the concepts of what a graph is, and we'll also get a taster for what it's like to work with Neo4j by trying it out with the online Neo4j console. The second part of the course is all about getting set up with Neo4j. In this section, we'll see how to go about installing Neo4j on a Windows or a Mac machine. We'll get familiar with the Neo4j browser, which is what we'll use to run all of our Cypher queries. And we'll also see how we go about populating our database with the required course data. And following this, we'll go into the third part of the course, which is where most of the content is. It covers how to query, create, update, and delete data. You're probably aware of how Udemy structures its courses, but I wanted to also mention how this course in particular is structured. As you're probably aware, Udemy structures its courses into sections, and within each section, there are lectures. In addition to this structure, this course also provides exercises. So what you'll generally see is that there are a number of lectures followed by an exercise or two. When you get to the exercise, the idea is that you should watch the exercise video, pause the course, and then once you've completed the exercise, come back to watch the solution in the exercise answer video. Lastly, I want to mention that if you have any questions or feedback about the course, please feel free to get in touch via Udemy's commenting feature, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So let's get started. In the next video, we'll be looking at what a graph is in the context of Neo4j.